Hello, I'm Design Guy, ready to turn dull skies into vibrant scenes and boost your photo colors with Canva. Click the Create button, then choose Custom Size from the options. Enter your preferred dimensions. I'll use 300 by 300 pixels here. Next, navigate to the Elements tab. In the search bar, type Sky or Sky Background to find relevant background options. Next, select a photo from your library. For example, click on this image to choose it for editing. Next, click the Edit button in the menu. From the available options, select BG Generator or Background Generator. Click on BG Generator to open the tool, which will allow you to start customizing and generating your desired background. Type the sky or weather you want in the search bar. For example, enter cloudy sky or rainy weather to find suitable options. Press Enter to confirm your choice. Browse the results to select the sky or weather style that best matches your project's needs. Click the Generate button to create new photos. Wait as the generator processes your request. Soon you'll see 4 new designs, each with a different style. These variations give you fresh options to choose from. Review the 4 new photos once they appear and decide which style best fits your needs or preferences. Here is another type of sky. Click to select it and compare the results. Choose the sky option you think looks better for your project, then continue with the next step. Choose your preferred background from the 4 available options. After selecting, click Done. Your new background will now appear. You can further customize it to fit your design. To make adjustments, click the Edit button, then select Adjust. Here, you can fine-tune brightness, contrast, and other settings to match your needs. Review the changes and apply them to complete your customized background setup. To enhance the color of your image, start by adjusting the temperature slider to make the image warmer or cooler. Next, use the tint slider to correct any unwanted color casts. If the image is too dark, increase the brightness slider. Finally, adjust the contrast slider to make the colors and details stand out more vividly. To adjust the highlights, look for the highlight slider in your editing panel. Move the slider to the left to darken the highlights or to the right to make them brighter. As you slide, watch how the brightest parts of your image change. Experiment with different positions until you achieve the look you want. You can also fine-tune the effect by combining adjustments here with other color settings to create a balanced, vibrant image. Add vibrance and saturation to enhance your image's colors. Next, adjust the sharpness for more detail. Use clarity to improve texture, and finally, apply vignette to darken or lighten the edges of your photo. Once you're satisfied with your work, click the Share button at the top right of the screen. From the menu, select the Download option. Choose PNG as your file type to ensure high-quality images. Click Download again to save the file to your device. You can now display or share your project as a PNG image. Increase the size to improve quality. For the best results, use the PDF print option. This ensures your file maintains high resolution and looks crisp when shared. Give your photos a fresh look with Canva's AI sky replacement and color boost. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative tips.